First, log into your Substack account. This is the starting point for making any changes to your newsletter. Next, navigate to your publication's settings. You'll find this under Customize or Appearance in the menu. Look for the Logo section in the settings. This is where you'll manage your newsletter's branding. You'll see an option to upload a new image. You can either drag and drop a file directly or select one from your computer. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview of how the logo will appear in your newsletter and on your publication's page. The changes will apply immediately to new posts and emails. Note that there may be occasional delays in updating older archived posts, but Substack usually fixes this automatically. Remember to always check the preview and test on different devices to ensure it looks good. After uploading, confirm that the logo is displaying correctly across various email clients like Gmail and Outlook for a consistent and professional look. Substack has specific requirements for logos to ensure they display correctly across all platforms and devices. Your logo must be a square image with equal width and height to prevent cropping or distortion. Choose the right file format and keep file sizes under 2 megabytes for optimal performance. For best results, follow these design best practices to ensure your logo works well in all viewing conditions. Adhering to these guidelines ensures your logo looks professional and enhances your Substack newsletter's branding.